Police seized over 3 billion worth of cocaine at the Ian Fleming International Airport. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. Members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force and law enforcement agents from overseas seized a large quantity of cocaine at the Ian Fleming International Airport in St. Mary. The cocaine had an estimated street value of 3.8 billion Jamaican dollars was seized on Friday, September 23rd. No arrest over the seizure has been made so far. According to the Deputy Commissioner of Police, Mr. Fitzbailey, the cocaine was destined for Canada.
On Friday, the 23rd of September 2022, a joint operation was conducted at the Ian Fleming International Airport between the hours of 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. by police officers drawn from the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, the Narcotics Division, and law enforcement agents from the United States of America. The objective of this operation was to intercept and seize cocaine destined for Canada. During the operation, a total of 500.2 kilos of cocaine, or 1,100.5 pounds, was seized and taken to a police facility for processing. The value of the cocaine is estimated to be over 25 million US dollars. No one was arrested. However, investigation continues in the matter.
The operation was carried out between 2 o'clock in the afternoon and 8 o'clock in the evening by members of the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Branch, Narcotics Division, and law enforcement agents from the U.S. The objective of the operation was to intercept and seize the cocaine destined for Canada. During the operation, some 500 kilograms of cocaine, or 1,100 pounds of cocaine, was seized and taken to the police facility for processing, Bailey said. The value of the cocaine is estimated to be over 25 million US dollars. Link 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.